if root 2x is equal to 1 plus I, then find the value of x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now solve this question. Write first root 2x is equal to 1 plus I. This is the given equation, and we have to find out writing that also x to the power 4, first x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, and I means I is equal to root over minus 1. I means imaginary. Start from here. Squaring both sides, we may be able to find out x square, and root over will be eliminated automatically. Now do show root 2x that of square that is equal to 1 plus I square. Now simplifying to be reduced, or 2x square is equal to 1 plus 2I minus plus I square, or 2x square that is equal to 1 plus 2I minus 1. I square is equal to 2 minus 1. Here writing as I is equal to root over minus 1, or I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1, this is plus 1, will get cancelled. 2x square, after simplifying this, it will be 2I. 2 will get cancelled. Finally x square is equal to I. If we again squaring both sides, then will be x to the power 4 is equal to y square, or x to the power 4 is equal to I square is equal to minus 1, as I square is equal to minus 1. So we have got the values of x to the power 4, x square, and from this equation we may get x. Now we may find the given expression. Now writing the given expression that is equal to x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now x to the power 6, we may write x to the power 4 into x square plus x to the power 4 as it is plus x square plus 1. Now put the values of what we have known. X to the power 4 known value minus 1. X square, what is the value of x square? I. X to the power 4 minus 1. X square I plus 1. Now more simplification or reduce more, that is equal to minus 1 into I minus I plus minus minus 1 plus I plus 1. Minus I plus I will get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, so that is equal to 0. Therefore our required answer is, that is the required value, or x to the power 6 4 square plus 1 is equal to 0. If you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe this channel for getting notification whenever others video will be uploaded, and share your friends. Thank you.